Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer XRP from crypto.com to Tangem wallet. So let's quickly dive into it. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer XRP from crypto.com to Tangem wallet. So open the crypto.com app and log into your account, then tap the accounts tab, then click the crypto wallet. Then from there you have to select the XRP or Ripple from the list of the assets, then transfer, then tap the transfer, then click the withdraw to external wallet. So from there you have to tap the plus icon to add the wallet address, then paste your Tangem XRP wallet address, the one you copy from your Tangem, then enter the destination tag if your Tangem wallet provide one, and if not, leave it blank. And after that you have to choose the XRP network, then save it, then verify the address using your email or 2FA authentication. Then after that select the save Tangem wallet and enter the amount of XRP you want to send, then tap continue. Review all details carefully and then tap confirm / withdrawal, then wait for a few minutes for the transfer to appear in your Tangem wallet. And here's a safety reminder, very important: always double check or check that you are using the XRP network and the network plus the tag if required. Make sure everything is correct before confirming the transaction to avoid lose of your fund. And that's it. I find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.